Right, today we're making a healthy Daikon Burdock soup. This soup is known for its antioxidant properties. My dad used to make this soup a lot without any meat, but for this recipe, I'll be adding pork bones for more flavor. Here I have some beautiful pork bones. This is at the shoulder area, so the longer you cook it, the meat will become more tender. Make sure you clean them thoroughly. Rinse with water. I usually rinse a few times. Just make sure you rinse until the water runs clear. Now let's blanch the pork bones just to get rid of any impurities. Add the pork bones, then add water. Just make sure the pork bones are fully submerged in the water. Then let the water come to a boil. While that's going, let's prep the vegetables. I've got radish here, also known as daikon. Don't throw away the leaves if you've got them, because they're rich in vitamins and minerals. First, let's chop off the leaves. Set it aside. Now let's peel off the skin. Okay, this daikon's not too fresh, so it's slightly soft. Give it a good rinse and wash the leaves thoroughly. Now chop the leaves into smaller pieces. Remove the top part of the radish. Rotate and cut at an angle. I'm going to just set this aside. Next we have burdock root. This beauty is packed with antioxidants. First, let's cut it into half. Just slightly scrape the skin with a knife. The skin holds quite a bit of nutrients, so you want to keep the skin on as much as possible. Rinse it clean. Next, cut into smaller chunks. This is quite thick, I'm just gonna slice it into half. I'm also going to add carrot for sweetness. Peel off the skin and cut it into smaller chunks. Okay, now back to the pork bones. You can see quite a bit of scum floating on the surface. We don't want that. Remove the pork bones. And rinse it clean if necessary. Okay, once all the ingredients are ready, let's start cooking. I'm using a clay pot, but don't worry, you don't have to use a clay pot. You can always use a stainless steel pot. Place all the ingredients in a pot. The pork bones, burdock root, radish and carrots. Then add enough water. Bring to a boil. Then simmer on low heat for about 2 hours. It's done. Let's see. Wow, it smells so amazing. So once it's done, the meat should be soft and tender and just easily fall off the bone like this. And the radish will turn just slightly translucent color. Then season with some salt. And there you have it, Daikon Burdock Root Soup. It's light, healthy, and so comforting. Perfect when you want something light and soothing. Give it a go, and I hope you enjoy it.